This call is now being recorded.
Please start. Sir.
Shall we start, ma'am? Shall we start?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I welcome all the participants once again for this day's session. First, we have with us Dr. Sunil Kumar Goyal, who is the Associate Professor, Department of Agri Engineering, Banaras Hindu University. He has been working there from 2010. Sir has done his PhD from me. One second, sir, I missed this page. Sir has completed his PhD from Meerut. During his PhD program, Sir has received the UGC fellowship. Sir is the recipient of several awards, more than 20 awards, out of which 2 national awards. He has been conferred with 2 national awards. One is the Rajiv Gandhi National Award, and another is the Raj Bhasha Gaurav National Award. Sir is presently handling many research projects from different departments, from Department of Science and Technology, UGC, Department of Agri and Cooperation, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. From ICR as well, Sir is handling many projects. Sir will be presenting today the title of the lecture with title Business Opportunities in Processing of Horticultural Producers. Sir, you can start, sir. We welcome you in this program, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Soeb Saab, Dr. Soeb Saab. Thank you, the organizers who give me this opportunity to interact with the galaxy of scientists. And also, as Soeb Saab has told me, there are 5 research scholars also. So, welcome you all. And before start, I must pay my thanks to Hamida Madam, who is a link between you and me, means you people and me, because without her technical expertise, we cannot share our ideas to each other. So thank you again. Welcome to all. As Dr. Soeb has told me about me, thank you, sir, for introducing me to the all participants. I am Dr. S.K. Goyal, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Agricultural Engineering and Institute of Agriculture Sciences, Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi. And my specialization is Agricultural Process and Food Engineering. Basically, I am working in another campus of this BHU, that is known as RGSC, Rajiv Gandhi South Campus. And this is near about 80 kilometers far away from the Varanasi. And this is another campus of BHU, situated in Barkacha, that is in Mirzapur. So I'm working there since last 15 years. And I have worked on many research projects at Soeb Saab, as you told me. I worked on rice, I worked on drone, I worked on medicinal plants, I worked on this dairy products, I have worked on horticulture produce processing. Okay, so today I chose this topic. This is business opportunities in processing of horticultural produces. So I will be discussing only about the especially medicinal and some aromatic plants. Okay, because my area of specialization is medicinal plants and some another horticulture produces. So I will only emphasis on medicinal plants. So today we all knows that allopathic medicine, people are avoiding such type of medications, because allopathic medicines have many side effects, as you all know. Even our AIMS, different AIMS situated in different parts of India, the renowned doctors are also advocating for using the herbal medicines, or you can say Ayurvedic medicines, or you can say homeopathic medicines. There is another branch of, you can say, field of medicine, that is electrohomeopath. Okay, so I mean to say, the base of all Ayurvedic medicines, base of all homeopathic medicines, and base of all electro and homeopathic medicines are only medicinal plants. Because allopathic medicines have several side effects, that's why since 2005 or 2004, when Baba Ramdev has started their yoga and this Ayurveda has flourished in our Indian locality, since that time, the medicinal plants are having importance for the field of research, for the field of, you can say, education, and as well as for the field of extension. So that's why I have chosen this topic. Okay, so today medicinal plants are finding diverse use in the society, from medicine to cosmetic, another herbal drinks. Day by day, or you can say per day, you have heard about herbal foods and other articles. Those are prepared by the medicinal plant, and basically these all types of items are known as herbal. Okay. So these herbs play a significant role, in especially on modern time. As I told you, modern times mean present time. Everywhere allopathic medicines are flourished, but still the MBBS doctors, those are expertise of particular field of their in allopathic medicine. They are also using somehow these herbs, means your Ayurvedic medicines, they are also consuming. Okay? So the movement is based on the belief that the plants have a vast potential for their curative medicinal uses and herbal food products. So these are the base of our today's topic. Okay. So for the processing of medicinal plants, we have such type of management system for the post-harvest management. So it is PHM is essential for getting maximum yield from the medicinal plants, and also to avoid spoilage and contamination of the products. Means, as we are growing other agriculture produces, we are growing the horticulture produce, and in this horticulture produce, we are producing this MAPs, medicinal and aromatic plants. So we have to protect them by spoilage and different types of contaminations. Because if we are not protecting these medicinal plants by these both type of spoilage and contamination, then we cannot say we cannot produce the good quality of you can say medicines or herbal products or Ayurvedic products. So I remember when I worked for my PhD, then I visited Dabur in Ghaziabad. So a farmer from Jwalapur, nearby area of Haridwar district, he came there to sell their you can say this is Safed Musli. Okay, so the procurement department has discarded his whole lot of that medicine Safed Musli. Then I was surprised. Company means Dabur has a buyback contact with that farmer, but still that company is not purchasing his product, because there are some chemical residues, there are some different types of contamination. That's why the company is not ready to purchase their that farmer's product while they have their buyback as an agreement. Okay, I mean to say, we have to keep in our mind such points like post-harvest management and other specific handling points should be in our mind when we are handling this medicinal and aromatic plants. Okay, so several plants are popular for domestic and commercial uses, and they are called medicinal and aromatic plants. In simple, this is known as MAPs, and simple data is about 12.5% of the 422,000 plant species documented bird-wide are reported to have medicinal value. Bird-wide, we are having near about 4,25,000 plants. Okay, so it is very important if we are having such number of plants, so we should have a good facility to processing of that plant, and that processing techniques may be adopted by a business for a business opportunity. Okay. So with willing supplies from natural sources and increasing global demand, the medicinal and aromatic plants are need to be cultivated in ensure their regular supply for processing value-added products. Means if we are thinking about to establish a industry or establish a small processing plant, then we have to need regular supply of that medicinal plant. Okay? So we have to cultivate in a good you can say good agriculture practices. We need to cultivate the good quality of MAPs. Okay? So the revival of interest in natural drugs, especially those derived from plants, started in the last few decades, and I discussed just few or 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes ago, mainly because of the widespread belief that green medicines are healthier and safer than the synthetic ones. Synthetic ones mean synthetic medicines are your allopathic medicines, and green medicines are our Ayurvedic medicines, which is prepared by these medicinal plants. Okay. So I am not go through all the things, but I have already discussed the important things. Okay. So now, what is the importance of medicinal plants and potential sources of drugs? Okay. So if a plant having these two property, it means that has a that comes under medicinal category of medicinal plants. Okay, so these secondary metabolites includes alkaloids, glycosides, coumarins, flavonoids, steroids, and etc. Means what are medicinal plants? In Ayurveda, I am here in BHU, so here every you can say type of education is here. Every field and subjects of disciplines is here. We are providing this degree in other different fields like IIT. We have engineering colleges, we have nursing colleges, we have allopathic college, we have Ayurveda college. Okay, so there are number of friends who are doctors in within this BHU. When I was discussing with them what is the medicinal plants, then they said, as per the Ayurveda, every plant have a single or more than one medicinal property. It means every plant is known as medicinal plants if that have a medicinal property. Okay, so what is medicinal plants? I am just discussing about the bookish language, you can say, that is reported in the books. A considerable number of definitions have been proposed for the term of medicinal plants. Like, according to WHO, a medicinal plant is any plant which is one or more of its organ or parts contains substances that can be used for therapeutic purposes, or which are the precursors for chemopharmaceutical or semi-synthesis. As per the WHO, this is the definition of medicinal plant. But as per the Ayurveda, or you can say as per our Indian knowledge, every plant that has a single or more than single medicinal uses, or you can say that has a medicinal property to cure any disease or any other thing, that is comes under medicinal plant. Okay, so what characters a medicinal plants is having? Medicinal plants have many characteristics when used as a treatment as following. Number one, synergic medicine. Second one is support of official medicine, and third one is preventive medicine. So I'm not going to discuss each and everything because I will emphasize on the processing part. I'm just discussing what is medicinal plant, what characteristics should be in a medicinal plant. So these are three important characteristics which every medicinal plant should have. Okay. So now, as you know, medicinal plant means different parts of a plant may be used for a different types of preparation of different type of medicines, like roots, leaves, whole plant, flower, stigma, bark, flowers. I mean to say, the different parts of a medicinal plant is using for different types of medicinal purposes. Okay? Like Safed Musli is using roots, then stevia for leaves, aloe vera leaves, as you know, all deeply roots and fruits. So different parts of a medicinal plants is utilizing for different purposes. Okay. Now, global herbal trades and India's share. I am not going to discuss this thing because time is running very fast. And status of medicinal plants. As WTO, in its 29th and 30th assembly during 1976 and 7, then that was the scenario was very different. But present time, we are just producing. We are just second stage in the world category. First is China. We are second in medicinal and aromatic plants production. Okay. Now, processing of sub-medicinal plants. If you are thinking as a business opportunity to processing the medicinal plants, then how you should go through by step for a successful business model. Now, medicinal plants, as I told you, medicinal plants are presenting different parts of the plants like root, stem, bark, hardwood, leaf, flower, fruits, or whole plant, or stigma, and other parts of the plants. So the medicinal plant principles are separated by different processes. The most common being is extracted. Means there are different types of methods are using to extract the secondary metabolite from that plant. Okay, so the simple one is, or you can say common, is using for the extraction method. Now, processing of medicinal plants includes harvesting, then cleaning, then washing, then grading, after that cutting, then to remove the excess moisture, we are using that drying. After that, grinding to reduce that particle size. We cannot use directly that small pieces of that medicinal plant. So we have to grind that medicinal plants by using suitable grinders or size reducer machine in a powder form, you can say. Then next one may be extraction, then processing, then storage, and finally packaging. So these are few, you can say, unit operations. Those are involved in processing of some medicinal plants. Some means each medicinal plants, but there are different types of unit operations using for different parts of the medicinal processing of medicinal plants. Okay, so the such management is essential for getting maximum yield of drug from the medicinal plants, along with avoiding spoilage and contamination of drug. So this is very important factor to avoid spoilage and contamination. As I told you a simple story that Dabar at Ghaziabad. So if you are doing each and everything and your final product is not safe, means your final product is not up to the mark and it's contaminated by any type of problem, and if it's spoilage by fungus and other thing, it means the whole lot may be spoiled, and that will not earn a single penny. Okay, so am I audible to all? Kindly confirm. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. So as I told you, these are few unit operations for processing of medicinal plant. Again, I will repeat, like harvesting or collection of medicinal plant. When we grow our medicinal plants in the fields, or we can collect our medicinal plants from trees, or from forest, from herbal garden, from you can say medicinal garden. So first we have to collect or harvest that part of that medicinal plant, which part we are going to process it. After that, we should grade that collected material. Grade means we should use the good quality of that raw material which we are collecting or harvesting from the field. If we process the whole lot of that medicinal plants material, then there may be chance to contamination of spoilage of your whole lot. So there is a good you can say there is a good or necessary step to grading that collected material. Then second or third is cleaning and washing. As we know, when we collect the materials from our field or forest, so there is a chance to inherent of that dust and other inert materials. So we can remove that material, dust and other parts by cleaning or washing. Okay. So next step will be drying. Drying can be do by 3 methods. Number one is natural sun drying, that is known as sun drying, means oftenly our farmers and we are generally using in our household. Second one is shade drying. Shade drying is important for those medicinal plants, those are having leaves especially. Because if we try to dry in open sun drying, then there is a greater chance to loss of pigments, you can say green pigments of that from that leaves, green leaves. Okay. And the third one is mechanical drying. Generally, this is known as using for this purpose dryers. Okay. The different types of dryers are available in the market from the different sizes. Okay. So as per your demand, you can okay. I will tell you the list of machineries and list of the suppliers from where you can purchase. So I will tell you in my later slides. Okay. Then next step should be grinding. As I told you, we cannot process or we cannot consume the small pieces of medicinal plants. So what we should do, we have to convert into powder form. So for that purpose, different types of size reducer machines, your crushers, and especially grinders are available. And when you are going to set up an industry, or you can say set up a small medicinal processing plant, then you should have install a grinder, a small grinder. Okay. Then next step, we can extract the secondary metabolite from that medicinal plants. We should use extraction distillation process. And this is 3 types of, there are 3 types of extraction or distillation are used. First one is hydrodistillation, second one is hydrosteam distillation, and third one is steam distillation. Okay. After that, you can say second last step is packaging and storage. And we can also use to judge the quality of our product for better, you can say, knowing your quality of your product. We are just using HPLC and GLC. Small industries should not, I never advocate you should purchase this HPLC or GLC because this is very costly item. So what you should do, if you have a sample of your product, you can just simply test your sample and collect the report from different testing centers. Even my BHU is also having a CDC, Central Discovery Centers, and we have a facility to test the different samples of outsiders. Means that may be a startup, that may be industry, that may be a small plant. So there is a list of different types of tests, and they are having different charges. And if someone want to test their product or sample, so you can visit our BHU for testing, and there is a in charge of that CDC, and you can contact, and he will definitely help you. Okay. So for drying medicinal plants, I'm just giving you the, okay, it's 11:22. I'm just giving you the idea how we can do this thing. Okay. Drying means simply removing the excess moisture from that medicinal plant. So what we should do, we can use with the sun drying, shade drying, or mechanical drying, whatever suitable for your particular medicinal plants. So there are some factors that are affecting the drying, like climate and season. As you know, if there are summer season, then the drying may be faster. If there are rainy season like this, then the drying take longer time, or I would say you should not use drying in this rainy season. So in this rainy season, generally we are using this mechanical dryers, okay, artificial drying. Then turning of the produce, you have to regularly turning of that dried produce. If we are using that natural sun drying or set drying, then heaps and thickness of layers. There are two types of drying is using thin layer drying and thin layer drying and deep bed drying. So generally for medicinal plants, we are using thin layer drying, okay. Then size of material, which type and which size of material is you are using. If you are using bigger size, then it will take more time. If you are using smaller size, then it will took lesser time to complete the drying process, okay. Then raw material composition, what is the composition of your raw material? That depends to the drying temperature. If you are having a medicinal plant that is having volatile substances, then you cannot use high temperature for the drying purposes. That for that particular material, you have to use lesser temperature for the drying. Then drying temperature, then time and humidity. So the specific you can say chart is given with the dryers. When you are using this artificial drying method, they are providing a chart with the dryer. Means if you are using this part of your medicinal plant, then you have to keep your temperature setting as per this norm, okay. Then enzymatic action. So this is also an important factor for the drying purposes. If the enzymatic activity in your medicinal plants raw material is high, so you have to dry your medicinal lot of that medicinal plant is as soon as possible, okay. So as I told you, sun or solar drying, this is generally known as a traditional dryer. So what is happening, as you all know, as Dr. Sohaib Saab has told me, means you all are scientists. I am not going to discuss the basic things, okay. So you can also use this your poly house. Means if you are using in your area that is a greenhouse in off season, you can also use that greenhouse for the solar dryer as you can use, okay. And tray dryer, generally we have in our labs this tray dryer, okay. And I'm not going to discuss all the things, okay. Then mechanical solar dryer. These type of dryers are generally useful for the hilly areas, basically Leh and Ladakh. And you are, I think, you all are from different parts of the country, so you can use suitable dryer, whatever is available in your local area, okay. So this is line diagram of this solar cabinet dryer, okay. Then indirect solar dryer. I am just giving you the idea how many types of dryers are available, okay. This is the, I can say, line diagram. Then selection of dryer. So which type of dryer is suitable for you? So you have to find out by the using these points, like production capacity, initial moisture content of the product, shape of the product, drying characteristics of the product, maximum allowable product temperature, and physical data of the material. So if you should keep in your mind with these, especially 5 points, 1 to 5, then you can easily identify which type of dryer is suitable for your product, okay. Now next is point is coming for size reduction methods. Means you have a raw material in a wooden form, you can say stem, bark, whatever you have. So you have to convert it in the powder form, because most of the medicines are available in the pills form, goli, your small balls type. So for the preparation of that type of small balls, we have to convert our raw material in powder form. So that the whole process is known as size reduction process or size reduction method. Okay. So basically there are 4 types methods are using to the size reduction. First one is compression or pressing, second one is impact, third one is searing, and fourth one is cutting. So based on these methods, different machines are available, okay. Like crushing, impact, and searing. Crushing means the particle produced after crushing are irregular in shape and size. The type of material, method of force application affect the characteristics of new surface and particles. So the crushing is also used to extract oil from oilseed and juice from green medicinal plant. Okay, so just like impact and shearing and cutting, different types of forces are applying, and the resulted product is different shape and size. Okay, so this is, you can say, crushing ultra fine mill. This is a small mill which is using in medicinal plant processing. Okay. As I discussed you, size reduction machinery is based on these. The grinder are also comes in size reduction. Crusher are also comes in the size reduction machinery. The cutting machine and fine grinder. Fine grinder means the grinder which is produce a very fine particles as a powder form. Okay. So this is a grinder. Generally, grinder is using in our this medicinal processing industry. Then hammer mill. Hammer mill this type of hammers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 or more than 4 type of hammers are using for crushing that raw material and convert into small pieces. Okay. So the different types of crushers are available, like jaw crusher, rotary crusher, and crushing rolls. So these machines are based on the this crushing principle. Now, processing technology for some medicinal plants like stevia. I have worked on stevia during my PhD, and as you know, stevia is a substitute of sugar. Stevia is near about 300 times sweeter than the sugar. Okay, so the diabetic patients in our Indian population is increasing, not day by day, second by second. Each second there is a 3 diabetic patients are enlisted in a list of diabetic patients. Okay, so what we should do for this processing of stevia? Actually, the basic you can say metabolite which is knowing for the this sugar sweetness, this is stevioside. Okay, so we have to find out, or we have to collect this stevioside from these green leaves. Okay, we can also use this green leaves, but everyone cannot use this green leaves because the stevia plants is not available in each and every house. Okay, so we have to extract this stevioside from this medicinal plant stevia. So what we should do, first we have to harvest, then after we can dry, and after that we should use this extraction method, and after that you can directly sell that stevia leaves in market. People are consuming these leaves and replacing the sugar. And if you want to convert this leaves into stevioside, then you have to go further. Okay, so what you should do, generally we should using this commercial method for collection of this stevioside from the medicinal plant of stevia. Okay, then next one is ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is a plant which is having a smell like horse. That's why it is known as ashwagandha. Okay. It is very important plant for in our Ayurvedic medicine system. So what we should do, first we have to harvest the plants, then both root and plants both are using for this medicinal purposes. Generally roots are useful for the this Ayurvedic medicines. So first we have to harvest, then dry. First harvest, then clean, then dry, then cut into pieces, and finally we have to convert into powder form, and we can sell in different types of packaging. Just here you are seeing Organic India. They are just selling the these ashwagandha in a 50 gram, 100 gram packets. Okay. Then next one is isabgol. Isabgol is also very important medicinal plant. We are generally using the husk of this isabgol plants. Okay, Why this is very important in our present context? Because at present time, every second or every third person is suffering from constipation. And this, if you are having this constipation 6 to 9 months, it means you are progressing for the, you can say, piles, fissures, and many other rectal diseases. So doctors are regularly advocating to you to kindly, if you are having any type of constipation, then you have to use this isabgol husk. Okay, so this is a simple technique. First, harvest, then collect these seeds, and we are just using the this husker to remove the husk from that seeds. And in market, Sat Isabgol type of brands are available in market from 100 gram, 200 gram, 250 gram, 500 gram of packets. Okay. Next one is Safed Musli. It is very important plant. I have also worked on this during my PhD. Safed Musli is commonly known as Indian ginseng. Okay. Generally in Indian patients, this is using for lactating mother to enhance the quantity of milk after birth. And for male, generally it is a substitute of Viagra. Okay? So that's why this is known as Indian ginseng. Ginseng is a medicinal plant which is very common in Japan and China. In our India, we are not getting this ginseng. So just we are using this Safed Musli. So it is very important plant and very costly. In the market, the dry roots of this Safed Musli are having the cost of 55 to 1 lakh per kg. Full mature, good quality, no any type of chemical residue, then you can earn 1 lakh per kg of good quality of Safed Musli. Okay. So very simple. This is our plant. Uprooted the plant and clean these full matured your mostly roots. They you can say
Hello.
after
Hello, sir.
to, yeah.
Your slide is not visible, sir. Sir, your slide is not visible.
Okay, okay, okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. One minute, ma'am. 2 minutes. I think there are some internet issues. Hello, am I audible? Hello,
Yes,
am I
sir, you
audible?
are audible. Yes, sir.
And now PPT, my PPT?
No, sir, PPT is not visible.
Okay.
Sir, can you share your presentation again? I
Yeah,
think
yeah, I am doing. Actually,
Okay,
there are
sir.
some internet glitch.
No issue,
Sorry,
sir.
sorry. Now visible?
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay. So, okay. So I was discussing that there is a problem with the processing of this Safed Musli roots. Before drying, we have to peel out the skin of the roots, because if we are not peeling out you can say skin of that root, then after harvesting it is very difficult to remove that part. And if the skin is not removed, it means our final product, means powder, may not be of good quality. Okay, so this is very important medicinal plant of India. As I told you, this is very important for lactating mothers, and as far as our male patients, or you can say generally the human, means male of our Indian generation, generally this is using for the replacement of this, you can say, Viagra. Okay, then next one is Mulethi. Mulethi, in during our corona, everyone, I just imagine that everyone identify this plant, because kadha prepared by the Mulethi and other uh, other ingredients of Ayurveda, all people are consuming kadha and that corona period. So this is very important plant. Generally, this is find in a climber type of plant, and the stems of this plant is using. Okay, so first we have to harvest the plants and cut into pieces, and after drying we can sell this raw material, means pieces, in the market, or we can convert into powder and we can sell in the market. Okay. Then chemical constituents, those are important for the market point of view. Safed Musli, as I told you, this is important for saponin, stevia, for stevoside and glycoside. Then asparagus means this asparagus for fat, protein, and saponins. Then senna, and datura, mentha, brahmi, aloe vera, different types of medicinal plants are having specific chemical constituents. Okay. Now the next question comes, or you can say the next part of your business opportunity in medicinal plant processing. First part is processing of medicinal plants, and second part is processing of, preparation of herbal products, herbal food products. Okay, so what is herbal? Every that item that is containing some metabolites from the plants, that is known as herbal. Okay, then what is the features of herbal product? Generally, these are prepared by the medicinal plants, and these products are not consuming or using any type of synthetic items. That's why we are knowing these products as a herbal. Okay, like more affordable than conventional medicine, means that herbal product can be also utilized or using as a medicine. Okay, so the people who is not interested to take in any type of medicine, then they can use that herbal products in place of medicine, and the result or effect of that plant will give a good result for their well-beingness. Okay, then easier to obtain than prescription medicine, easily available. These all are easily available. Then stabilize hormones and metabolism, because they are not having any different type of chemicals, means artificial chemicals or synthetic chemicals. Okay, and so this is I believe of the common people that this is a type of natural healing. If a person is using herbal product, it means that believe he or she is healing by the natural process. Okay, then it is herbal products having strength in immune system. As I told you, during Corona period, for improving your immunity, generally people are using different types of herbal kadhas, and that what I told you, that one. Mulethi. Mulethi is very important to enhance your immunity. And the last and important thing is these are cost-effective products. Okay, means if you are going to purchase a medicine for the prepared by the subscribed by the allopathic doctor, then that may be costly, but the herbal product may be less costly. Okay. So if we are thinking to establish the herbal product formulation unit, then what we should do means I am just giving you the formulation, how you can prepare the different types of herbal products. So I am just discussing value-added food products like juice, orange juice. Okay. So first, we can just simple way we can produce the orange juice. After that, second step is to produce this stevia extract. Okay. Third one is to produce this stevia extract, and finally, if we are using such type of you can say orange juice 900 ml and addition of 90 ml stevia extract and 10 ml of safed musli extract, then blending. Finally, we can produce this blended herbal beverage, and this is prepared by without using any type of sugar or any types of other sweeteners. So this is very helpful to the your diabetic patients. They can consume this herbal beverage for therapeutic or their sugar level. Okay. Then next one, diabetic patients are not able to consume the barfi or other things. So I have prepared this herbal barfi prepared with the replacement of sugar by the stevia powder, stevia green powder. I'm not using here stevioside. Okay. So simple, the flow diagram is here. You can use by the method how you are preparing the khoya barfi or mawa barfi. Just you replace the sugar and replace the sugar by this stevia powder, and then finally you can get a herbal barfi. And these herbal barfi are available during this my PhD program 2005 to 8, 3 year. I have a sale counter in Meerut, and we prepared that herbal barfi and herbal beverage, and there is a sale counter, and we sell our product at their sale counter. Okay. Now, any other herbal products or dairy products are available, like preparation of pudina custard. For the preparation of pudina custard, this is a simple flow chart. I am not going to discuss each and everything because time is running very fast. It's 11:46. Okay. So for preparation of pudina custard, we have to use 1 liter of milk, but put in a microwave bowl. Then boil for 6 minutes and mixed custard powder. After that, finally, we should use this for the pudina in this custard powder, and finally we can get this pudina custard. And this pudina custard is very useful, or you can say during the time of this summer. During summer period, if you consume this pudina custard, it means you cannot have any type of fatigue, any type of vomiting, any type of can say your stomach ache and other things. Then next is this is another part of pudina custard. Okay. Then next is process flow chart for preparation of aloe vera sandesh. I am here in Varanasi, so here the Bengal is nearby, and many Bengali peoples are residing in Varanasi, and many Bengali peoples, Bengali students are also studying in this university. So we have a department of Dairy Science and Food Technology, and here they are preparing different types of milk products or dairy products. So they have prepared this aloe vera sandesh. It is very famous Bengali sweet. Okay? Because aloe vera is a, you can say, simple tonic, and everyone can take this aloe vera, because baby, you can say more than 5 years, and a person more than 90 years, they can, this age group means 5 to 99 age group people can consume this aloe vera, and this is a simplest tonic for their body, and they can enhance your immunity system. That aloe vera has enhanced your total whole digestion system and any other thing. So means aloe vera has a very important medicinal property for improving your health and other things. Okay. That next one is process flow chart for preparation of aloe vera whey milk. This is also prepared in our DFST Department of Dairy Science and Food Technology. Dr. D.S. Bunkar and his team, I am also including in that team. So we are working on the many development of many milk product based powder. So this is from CSIR lab. This is not my work. I am just giving you the idea. Value added products from ginger. If you have in your mind, and if you are residing in the place where the ginger production is high in your locality, then you can simply use these techniques for your business purpose, and you can convert this raw ginger into different ginger products. Okay, like blanched ginger. For ginger paste, okay, ginger powder, and ginger candy, ginger gel, ginger jelly. Okay, so different types of ginger products you can prepare in your small, you can say, plant. Okay. Now, opportunities in medicinal and processing. So, as I told you, there are a number of plants are available in our Indian locality. So, which type of medicinal plant is available in your local area? So, you have to choose particular that plant. It is not advisable you are residing in Uttar Pradesh and you are purchasing the raw material from Karnataka. So, this is not be a good business idea, because the transportation cost may be high, and that enhance the final cost of your product. Okay, so you should use the local plants are available in your locality, so you have to go with that plan. Okay, so there are few books, you can say literature, scientific literature is available that definitely will going to help you to establish your business plan or convert your business idea into a industry or small industry, you can say, like herbal product development. Next is Ayurvedic science of food and nutrition. If you are going to establish a raw material processing plant, then you can go with this book. And if you want to prepare this herbal food products, then you should go with this book. Okay. And other books are available: Herbal Food and Pharmaceutical Products by Ranjan magazine, then Handbook of Organic Food Processing and Production, then Functional Food Product Development, and Flavor Development and Functional Food and Nutraceuticals. So I am just giving you the few books which I think these are important, and definitely that will be going to help you. Other books are also available. Other literature means, you can say, I am just providing you the Indian books. You can go with other Chinese and Japanese books. They are also having a good quality of information. Okay. And okay, whatever I have just discussed with you, you have to enhance your skill by the training and skill development program. So there are number of institutes are available in our country. Those are providing the different types of skill development and training, like CMAP, Lucknow, Central Institute of Medicinal and Aromatic Plants, Lucknow, NBRI, for floriculture. CFTRI means Central Food Technology Research Institute, Mysore. These are dealing with food processing of medicinal plants and other things. Then NIRD, then NABARD, and present time your horticulture department. I am discussing about the UP, Bihar, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh. So there are a state horticulture department, and every horticulture department is having different types of projects, and they are having different types of facility to provide you, and they just ready to help you, and you can do your business idea with this NABARD and other NGOs. Many FPO, farmer producers or organizations, are also working on this in my knowing place, like Mirzapur, Banaras, and in Uttar Pradesh. So FPOs or NGOs are all equally important for enhancing or you're developing this business idea. Okay? You can take training from NGO or FPOs also. So this is the list of equipments. Those are most important for a small business idea, like horti or urban extraction unit, tray layer, root washer. So I'm not going to discuss all the things. Yeah, this is NIRR, Project Consultancy Services. This is an agency which is providing the consultancy throughout India, and I think his headquarters is in Noida or Delhi, in NCR. Okay, so what they are doing, you can contact them. You just brief your idea to the consultant of that particular agency. They listen your idea. They discuss the charges, what charges they are going to charge to implement your idea into industry or business idea. So what they do, this is the contact information. I just provide the whole PPT to the organizer. So this PPT can be helpful in your future. Okay. What this NIR are doing, they are doing project identification, detailed project report, pre-feasibility report, business plan, industry trends, market research reports, technology books and dictionary, database on CD and ROM, laboratory testing, turnkey project consultancy, and entrepreneur idea. So the whole things means what? Means they are providing a package of consultancy for your business idea. Okay, so if you have any type of business idea, definitely you should contact to them. Okay, then finally we are going to our destination, medicinal plant. As I discussing with you from my first slide, medicinal plants for the present scenario, medicinal plants are very important. Each and every person, those are suffering from any type of disease, they are not ready to go with allopathic medicines, means synthetic medicines. 99.9% population of India, if they are not having a severe disease, for their common, you can say routine diseases type your BP, your obesity, your sugar, your common diseases, 99.9% people are ready to go with green medicine, means herbal medicines, means Ayurvedic medicines. Okay, means your homeopathic medicines, your electro-homeopathic medicines, because Ayurveda, homeopathic and electro-homeopathic medicines are not having, you can say, not reporting any type of side effects. So that's why, and vice versa, each allopathic means synthetic medicine have more than one side effects. So that's why people are generally want to go with Ayurveda. For Ayurveda, we have to produce more medicinal plants or aromatic plants, and for regular supply of processed product to the industry, Ayurvedic industry, you can say Ayurvedic pharmaceutical industry. So we have to produce such type of business ideas. We have to start small level industries to convert that raw material into processable material. So this is that's all from my side. It's time 11:58. If anyone have any question, I will be happy to answer. Okay.
Any participant who wants to interact with Dr. Saab?
Any query, I will be happy to answer. I will try to give my best as an answer. Okay. Actually, I did. I am also and I am continuously doing the work with the medicinal plants with the my friends from this Ayurvedic faculty of this IMS BHU Institute of Medical Sciences. So I have a little bit idea about the medicines, but I have an idea about the processing of medicinal plants. This type of medicinal plant is important for the processing purpose. As I told you, if anyone have idea to establish such type of small, you can say, unit, first you have to think which type of medicinal plants are available in your market and available in the field as a raw material, and which medicinal plants are demand in your local area. Okay. As I just giving you an example, if I am living in Varanasi and I have an idea to process the medicinal plant that is growing in the southern part of India, so will not be very you can say profitable, because the transportation cost is maybe high. No, not maybe high. It definitely will be high, and your final product is also be having more cost. Then you can face problem to sell out your product. Okay. No question, I think.
So it seems
Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay, sir. It's really very nice presentation. Sir, though my topic, like my query is not related to your presentation, sir, I want to know a little bit about this agro homeopathy.
Agro homeopathy.